Good morning, class. Welcome to Turkey Bowling 101. Today, I'm going to teach you the basics of turkey bowling, but first we're going to watch this video.
It's that time of year again. Turkey Bowl is happening. Are you ready? If not, let us help you with this free course. First, let's talk about what not to do. Don't throw the turkey too short. Don't throw the turkey too high, because that's a hazard. Speaking of hazards, don't stand behind the pin. Never underestimate your opponent. Don't use live turkeys. That's what the frozen turkey's for. Don't throw the turkey behind you. Don't call PETA. The turkeys are already dead. Here are some tips to roll into victory. Stay in your lane. If you call a friend in to bowl for you, make sure that they have game. Don't bowl cold turkey. Practice your technique first. Make sure to tie your shoes. Congratulations, you've graduated from Turkey Bowling 101. And remember, aim small, miss small, and we'll see you in the lanes.
All right, are there any questions?
Yes, when will there be turkey bowling?
There's turkey bowling now until November 18th. Any other questions?
Yes, how do you win?
So each week, multiple dealers will bowl, but they'll only get to bowl once, and then the dealer who knocks down the most amount of pins will win $100 per pin. Any other questions? Well, if that's all, class is dismissed. If you have any other questions during the week, you can call Indiana or Carolina Auto Auctions, and their numbers are on the screen.